Don't make her drink more.
What?
Wait, what? Hey, yo.
What's up, everybody?
Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you drop a like and a subscription because in today's video, we're going to be reacting to some memes. And if I laugh, I make a funny noise. You guys already know the deal. Let's get right into it. Haha. Oh, boy.
More chips today, Ted?
Damn, he's eating a lot of chips, my boy. Why'd he do that? He did the wrong emote, bro. Dude, that almost got me low-key. Bro got a little too excited.
Fighting with you.
I'd be like that.
I can't be your daughter. You know, I wish Dad was here.
What?
Goodbye.
Did you like that? It's a loud emote, bro. When you're happy on the cat, what? Feel your pain, brother. Don't worry.
What are you doing? I'm beating them. Beating who? Them.
Who's them? What the hell? Does the guy have a little tail? That's cool. Tripped up. She's a 10, but she laughs too loud when watching TV. That can't be real. No way. No shot.
I was bit by a radioactive chromosome.
What? Mickey Mouse. R-O-U-S. First class.
What should we make next?
You just make some water, bro? That's crazy. W water. Dude. Oh god, bro, that's how I would feel. That's how I'm feeling in my head right now. Go home. Bro, they're just trying to say hi, bro. Like, wow, that was pretty cool. He didn't even realize it. Oh, what a cute raccoon. Oh my god, go climb to the top. Go climb to the tippity top. Don't fall, please. Don't do anything crazy, you guys. Yo, it's like an elevator. What the hell? Jalapeno juice? Ooh.
Some kind of Tabasco? No.
Tabasco. What? You tripping? You make her drink oil? Don't make her drink more. Wait, what? There's no way. Acting like your car ain't already totaled. Oh. Oh my god, that's actually pretty lit. Ghost Rider. Okay, that almost got me, no cap. Oh, look at the good doggy. She don't care. Does the dog care? Look at this, like freaky, huh? Yo, no chill, dog, bro. What the hell? Kermit the Frog here. Is it done? Look like meteors, bro. Ugh. Me as a kid. Bro, I still do that to this day. What is that? Dog? Cat? Oh, it's a cat. She had like 3 legs. What the hell? Oh yeah, good info, man. Yeah, appreciate you. Oh, I didn't know it was cool like that. Shit.
Here is a challenge.
Here's a challenge for you now.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Bend and reach for your toes. Now spell run.
R-U-N?
R-U-N. R-U-N.
They got her ass, bro. Oh, that's a little backroomish, if you ask me, bud.
All gonna be safe, and we're all gonna have a great time. What the Jesus Christ was that?
Hey, yo, hey, that real?
Yes! Yes! No! No!
Wow. Ooh, don't spray him. I did it to my dog, bro.
Things in our uni house that just
Things
make
in our
sense.
uni house that make sense. Hey, no way, sir. Bro, this guy's on Let Go. Oh my. Imagine selling your GTA car on there, bro. Oh my god, it's a GTA car in real life. Bro, is that a pig? What the fuck? Yeah, it was a pig. Is that a cobra? Holy crab. Bro, what the hell?
Excuse me?
You just slapped the back of his
You just
head.
have to hold the phone. It's already recording.
Hold the video for him, bro.
He stole my phone!
Yo, if anybody does this to me, bro. Oh, oh, he's gonna fall. What? I'm so confused. Is that a dog? He's a friggin' haircutted. What game is this? Assassin's Creed?
Maybe I drop this.
What the hell? Wow. She thought she was so cool. Toilet paper. KFC. Wait, why would you bring KFC into the bathroom?
Oh, Brian, why'd you just do that? Why'd you do that? Bro,
You're the right. Oh, happy doggy. Arr, arr, arr.
Well, time
You
for
just
bed.
scream back at him. Crazy. Couldn't be me.
Just in case there's any monsters down there.
Flashbang out. Have you dropped any drinks?
Get off those trays? No, I don't have it. Here's your sweet tea.
That's gotta be cap. Oh, automatic. Dude. Bro, it looks like the hill from the Bo Cruz movie. Is there someone snoring? What? Wait.
Pissing all by yourself, handsome?
Boy, what the... What is bro doing?
What
Streaks?
the fuck are you doing, bro?
Oh, hell no.
Were you sending streaks?
Mm-mm-mm-mm. Look at that kitty. Oh, look at the kitty go. Tap, tap, tap. Tappity tap. What? It's the best cat ever, bro. It's the best cat ever. What is she doing? Wow, that's fucked up. He's probably like, what the hell? Fuck is my ammo? Oh, dude, that's gonna hurt. Yeah, exactly. You're gonna suffocate.
What?
Bad parenting. Bro, get him off, dummy. Bro's getting bullied by his cat. It's tough. God damn.
Gregory, my main bitch found out about my side piece.
Haha! Mickey Mouse. Minions. Ooh, minions. I love minions. Okay, he just got snagged. That's a big bread. Look at that jackass. Bro, help him. Da, 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 da. Is that from The Boys? Is that the cast? That is, right? I don't know, I'm tripping. No, banana. Yo, what would you do? Like, what? What?
Catch a paper
Oh my god.
sheet or kisses.
Wow. Me and the boys do that all the time, no kip. I told you. Look at that pigeon. RIP pigeon. RIP.
Now this is pretty cool.
What is it?
Buck dropped his shed in the creek.
Looks
like another buck dropped one right there.
Okay.
It's the same side. Two different bucks shedding right next to each other. All right.
This is a mini truck.
Yeah, not a bad shed. Let's go check out that guy. He looks a lot bigger. Oh, yeah, this...
What?
No.
Bro, that's so fucked up. Mickey Mouse in the clubhouse. Oh boy. That was a long one, bro. Oh, hit it, get it, hit it, goose, let's oos, kiss. Why are you so close? That's not comedy to me.
See you later, yeah? See you next time.
Okay, see you. Bye. Okay, that was weird. Get that little frog. Are you scared of a frog, bro? You didn't do that, do you? What? Is that a cat? Oh. Oh, I thought he was happy. Are you stupid? What? So dumb. Alright, we already seen this. Alright, guys, listen. We're gonna end it here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure, if you watched to the end, to like and comment and just help your boy out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a blessed rest of your day. See ya.